Good day everyone, I am Richie Ranili from Bachelor of Science in Nursing, grade 22. Tonight, interviewing
Justin Kirby Pilardo, and I'm an athlete basketball.
my first question is, what type of lifestyle do you have at present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
My lifestyle, siguro, I'm an active in sports.
And why did you choose this lifestyle?
It's fun to play, especially in my sports like basketball and volleyball.
And what was your turning point that made you realize that you engage in physical activity and what makes you motivated?
O siguro, yung panonood ko ng NBA, yeah, Steph Curry is me motivated, I guess.
And as an exercise enthusiast or a regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activity?
Siguro, masasabi ko sa kanila, try new things. Okay na.